What I'm going to show you in this video is what sick packaging looks like for your clothing brand. This is like the top tier packaging so that when people get your products in the mail, the unboxing experience is absolutely sick. There's zero buyer's remorse. What they bought on your website, when they get it in the mail, they're stoked because you went above and beyond and you delivered, and they'll likely be repeat customers in the future. I'm going to show you a brand that's inside the Apparel Success Mastermind right now. They're called Gym Rats Club. It's a new gym brand. And they sent me a package in the mail with their shorts. They're called the Duo Compress Shorts. They added on a pair of socks, which I didn't order. They just threw that in extra. They threw in a little extra things as well. And I'm going to show you what their packaging looks like because it looks so sick. And when I got it in the mail, I thought this would be a great thing to bring to the channel to show you an example of what this really looks like. So let me show you their products first. This is their shorts. These are called the Duo Compress Shorts. This is what came in the mail. Super stoked on these. They've got this Lycra base layer here with their slogan, "Stay Obsessed," on the leg. They've got their logo here on the bottom of the shorts. And just overall, when I got these and I put them on, I was super stoked about the quality. They also sent me these socks, which I was super stoked about. Got their logo on the packaging here. Gym Rats Club at the top of the socks. Looks really sick. Now, before we get into all of the packaging that this brand sent me, I want to let you know that Apparel Success is sponsored by my buds over at Brand Crowd. If you struggle with designs, I seriously recommend that you check them out. Brand Crowd's a logo maker tool. You just type in the name of the logo that you want to make, hit enter, thousands of logos will come up. You choose a logo that you like, then you can edit and refine that logo as long as you want for free until it's perfect. This is a Hundo P design I made for my own brand using Brand Crowd. If you're interested, head over to brandcrowd.com/apparel success and you can get up to 66% off at checkout. Okay, so their product quality was super nice, but I was honestly mostly impressed with their packaging. For a startup brand that's just starting up, most brands neglect this and they don't put nearly as much effort into it. So I was super stoked about it. This is what their poly mailer looked like. Nice big poly bag here. Nice and simple, just black with their Gym Rats Club logo on it. Obviously, it's all crinkly because I dove into it to open up the package, but I thought that that looked really sick. Then everything came wrapped in this nice thin material that's got like their logo again and again on it. And even on the back, like even the sticker here has their logo on it, which I thought was just super like impressive to even have this little material in here that everything's wrapped in. Then the actual clothing itself came in a bag like this, a nice zip bag that everything was folded nice and perfect with Gym Rats Club, their clean logo on it. So already you've got the poly bag that's custom built, this little thin layer that came inside of this bag that was all custom printed and custom built. And then inside of this bag, the socks came in a package like this, which also has their logo on both sides on it. And they added this little keychain here, the Gym Rats Club keychain, with everything custom made and custom built on it. And this little slip as well that came in here, a little thank you note. And on the other side, it's got their slogan and a couple other branding things. And so when you add all this up, like the impression that all of this creates when you're unboxing it is that they're a legitimate company. They put effort into their products. They care about their customers. That's the feeling that you need your customers to feel when they open up their products. And honestly, after I tried on the shorts and I wore the socks, I was thinking, oh, it'd be fun to order from these guys again. Like, I'm super stoked. My review of their company after I ordered was super high because of all the little details that they put into it. The shorts fit great. They feel really nice. The socks fit awesome. And that's just really the experience that you want to give your customers. For my own brand, I know I've told this channel that I'm not working on K-Bud nearly as much because I'm focusing on this new brand that I'm starting up in fall of 2024. But when we were really rolling with it, this is what we were doing. We're using U-line boxes behind us, but we bought this stamp from like a stamp company that's built our logo into it custom. And this was a really cheap way of doing the packaging for our brand at the beginning because we didn't have to invest in custom boxes. You buy this stamp once and all you need is the ink and you just stamp your logo onto each box and it added sort of like this cool effect to it. Once we moved on from that, we bought this custom tape. I think we bought this at stickermule.com. They're not paying me to say that. And this tape is what we use to tape all of our boxes with, which added another layer of customization on it. And it's really in these little details that you start to separate yourself from the competition and create a clothing brand that actually has potential moving forward. Even in the beginning stages, we were actually writing like personal thank you notes to our customers. Like every single customer that placed an order, I would write a thank you note and say, thank you for the order. We really appreciate you supporting. And just going above and beyond like that is a great way to really make sure that those first customers are having a great experience, because giving your first customers that amazing experience is the most important part of being able to grow into the future. And when it comes to Gym Rats Club, I literally just asked him if it was cool if I used his brand in this video, and he said it was totally cool. He's not paying me to promote him or anything like that. And if you want to support his brand, you can check out his brand, Gym Rats Club, and go and support his brand. And you know, he's been a part of the mastermind for a while, and I did a live brand review of his brand. His brand isn't perfect yet by any means, but he's working through all of those steps, like on his website, correcting all of the little details that I gave him feedback for inside of the mastermind. And as he does that, this is such a good foundation to build your brand on. And so I thought it would have been sick to come to this channel and give that to you. And I hope that that helps you grow your brand better. If you're interested at all in joining the mastermind, you can learn more about what's inside at apparelsuccessmastermind.com. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.